Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw crypto wallet to bank. Open your exchange or self-custody wallet, confirm identity, link your bank, convert crypto to fiat, and start the bank transfer immediately. Expect network fees and exchange fees, check limits and hold times, and choose the fastest or cheapest option that fits your needs. Stay cautious with addresses and use two-factor authentication for every step to stay secure. Start by picking a reliable exchange that supports your currency and bank transfers, and fund it from your wallet if needed. Verify your identity fully and link your bank account to enable withdrawals securely. Sell crypto for fiat using a market or limit order depending on price sensitivity, then submit a withdrawal, confirm bank details, and track the transfer until funds arrive in your account, noting the expected processing time and fees. Understand the fee breakdown before you move funds. Blockchain network fees, exchange fees, and possibly receiving bank fees can all apply. Timing varies widely, with instant rails and certain rails taking minutes, while ACH or standard bank transfers can take several days. Check limits and hold periods that exchanges impose and plan withdrawals around these constraints. Doing a small test transfer first helps avoid costly mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.